Use protection when handling inks, as they are corrosive. Turn off and unplug the printer before handling any components. We open the side cover. First, we take a photo to document the location of the mainboard wiring. We remove the adhesive from the wiring connector. Carefully, we disconnect the cables from the mainboard. We remove the 5 screws. These 2 pieces must remain in place. We screw in the new mainboard with the 2 previous pieces and reconnect it, using the photo we took earlier to ensure the correct cable positioning. We turn on the printer. We check that the green light is on to confirm the mainboard has been replaced correctly. Finally, we put the side cover back on.